Of more than 100 Iraqi immigrants hanging in the balance, a key hearing today in federal court.
With a stay putting the deportations on hold running out, both sides back in court today arguing over jurisdiction in the case. Our Steve Garagiola was in court for the hearing, and jurisdiction is a really critical issue here, Steve.
Oh, you're not kidding. The one thing I did learn this afternoon sitting in that hearing is just how complicated this is. And right now, jurisdiction is the key. Arguing the merits of this case, that's way down the road. The narrow question the judge is pondering right now is jurisdiction. Does this case belong in federal court or belong in immigration court? And until that's decided, the case can't move forward. Scenes of protest have been common since the detention of Iraqi immigrants destined for deportation. This protest happened 2 weeks ago, around the time that Judge Goldsmith issued the stay on the deportation order. The question facing the judge has not really changed. In the initial order, the judge said, the substantial allegations made here are that the detainees face extreme, grave consequences, death, persecution, and torture. Such harm far outweighs any interest the government may have in proceeding with the removals immediately. Today, the plaintiffs asked the judge to extend the stay of the deportation order, keeping the status quo, while the question of jurisdiction is settled. The plaintiffs want the case heard in federal court as a class action lawsuit. If the case goes to immigration court, no class action is allowed. The judge could extend the stay an additional 2 weeks or longer, while the first legal question gets solved. Now, I do want to make clear those images of the protest were, as I said, 2 weeks ago. There were no protests here today. It was a very quiet hearing. And we have no answer. The judge is pondering that question. He asked both sides, the lawyers, to get together and see what they could work out in terms of a schedule, and then he will decide if he keeps the stay in place and just how long it will extend beyond next Monday. Devin, Kimberly, back to you.
Well, Steve, back when this first happened, when the detainees were taken into custody, they were taken to Youngstown, Ohio. Still there all this time?
Well, you know, there's an interesting question right there, as I learned this afternoon. Yes, it seemed like they were sent to the Youngstown facility. The government lawyer said today sometimes detainees have to be moved because of facility issues, so they may not all be there. The plaintiff's attorney said, well, there are some in Arizona, and phone contact has been limited with them, and they need to talk to their clients before this case can move forward. So there are a lot of moving parts here.
There sure are. All right, Steve.